Gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in today. Yes, gorgeous, I really appreciate. So I'll be sharing with you guys some PRO I got from SHEGLAM. Okay, these are lippies. One thing I like about these lippies, you can just put it in your pocket, you can put it in your handbag. That's when you're going out. You don't need to stress up. You don't need to be like, hey, where am I going to put my lipstick? Oh, it's too big, it's too... No. This, you can just carry it. Put it even in your pocket. That's what I like with it. You can put this in your pocket and you're good to go. You guys know we women, we like adding to our lips when we are out. Are you like me? I drink little thing, I will add. I will eat, I will add. I talk after some time, I will add. Okay, I'm always applying lippy. This is the SHEGLAM Hydra Jelly Pocket Lip Jam. So they sent me 8, and the 8 shades, they are bomb. Okay, look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So these are the 8 shades they sent me. Okay, I like anything if it is jam or lip gloss if they are not sticky, and you guys know SHEGLAM, they are good in doing that. They are good in giving you the high quality. Their lippies, they are not sticky. I've shared many of their glosses, they are not sticky. I like that. And this jam, let's see. Okay, let's see, let me bring them out. And you guys know the packaging of SHEGLAM. This one is chocolate cream. This is chocolate cream. Let's bring it out. Their packaging is always on point. Always on point, guys. So this is it. See this, see how cute, so cute. You can see it, so cute. Yeah, this is it. Okay, yeah. I like it. It's not sticky, and you have little, I don't know if I can say it's smell. I can't really smell it, but smells somehow. Not bad. Okay, it's not a bad smell, but I'm trying to like figure it out. So guys, we're going to try this one next. This one is Strawberry Splash. That's the shade. See it, you can see it. So let me apply this. Same thing, is not sticky. The next one is the shade is Guava Glow. So we're going to try that. Just like this. You can see it. Guava Glow. It's kind of peach. Like this is my color. I like this is my best shade. I like this shade. Anything nude, calling my name as usual. This one is apricot. Is it I don't know how to pronounce this. Apricot pop. Apricot pop. This shade. Okay, I still like this one. This one will be the last one I will try because I won't be able to try all. They look good. It's like sky blue. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see very well, and I don't know if you guys can see the difference on my lips, the different shades, as in the colors. Okay. This one looks transparent, like normal colorless gloss. All this jelly pocket jam, they are so, I tell you, they are not sticky. You guys know I don't like anything that is sticky, even if it is lipstick or lip gloss, anything or jam. If it is sticky, I don't like it. So I really love this one because they are not sticky and they shine. They give you what you want. Look at it on my lips. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Today remain gorgeous. Bye.